Make sure it's behind your back.
I'm not even lying right now. I'm really scared. Don't pee. It's okay.
Okay. Don't commit
What you gonna
suicide
do?
either.
Oh gosh.
Don't grab your.
Don't grab the rope. Okay, you got it. You got it. Now stand up. You got it. You got it.
Sasha,
Okay.
stand up.
Yes. Yeah. Behind you.
Put the rope
Put the rope behind you there.
Okay. Come on, Sasha. You can do it. Deep breath. Deep breath.
there.
Are you dancing? Don't pee.
5 feet away. 5 feet.
2.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna give you my email. Oh wow, that was cool.
Hey, you ready, son? So can you?
Yes.
That hurts.